Hello there. Welcome. You see this thing? I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what's inside it. This is, I don't even really know what this is. It's an iSTEADY V2 AI smartphone gimbal. You know, I don't really know what this is, but I know a gimbal steadies the phone. But it says AI smartphone gimbal, and there's like what looks like a little camera there. I'm kind of hoping that it moves and it can follow you around. That would be cool. My first impression of it, just in the box, is it's super light. Like it feels like there's almost nothing in there. It's crazy. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's pretty nuts. All right, so let's open this thing up. I probably should have got a knife or something. Now this is pretty easy. It's opening pretty easy. Dun 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 dun. Make the moment enjoy. It says make the, and then it says omit. They forgot the M. Let's check out what's in this puppy. What the heck? Shouldn't there be something in here? That's weird. Did I get ripped off? Nah. You fell for it. All right, let's see what this thing is. All right, we got the, looks like the instruction guide here. Cool, you got a little carrying case. So let's check this bad boy out. Okay, all right. First impression seems pretty solid. How do I open this? Fold the phone clamp when not in use. Unfold clamp to use. Yes. All right, let's figure this bad boy out. I see a screw here and a hole, so I'm guessing I gotta screw this in. I haven't even looked at the instructions, but I'm using my intuition. It's like a little stand. Yes. Here you got a charging cable. All right, looks like I'm probably gonna have to read this to figure out how to use it. Phone camera on the left, clamp phone in center. You know, as I'm reading this, it does seem like it's going to track, which would be cool. Meaning like this thing moves and follows you. I think that's what it does. What I'm starting to realize here is I would have to get my phone and put it on this thing and then test it out, which means I'm probably gonna have to put on some pants. Ooh, it says follow speed. Yes, yes, this is what I want. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put on some pants now and then put my phone in here and then we'll test it out.
5 minutes later.
All right, took me a little bit to get this thing figured out, but luckily there are some tutorials. Ha 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 ha! Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot, what? Only thing, I wonder if I could figure out a way to kind of get it a little bit lower. It's got my face like right in the middle of the screen. Kind of want it a little bit down. But anyway, this is pretty cool, as you can see. I am not really ready for a video, but I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I do what I want. I guess that's it. I don't know what else there is. I think I can do this. Oh, you're getting confused, buddy. I'm over here. Hey, bro. Don't be showing everyone my house. I'm over here. Hello. Ha ha ha. What? Is it looking for me? AI not computing right. Hey, over here, bro. Come on. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'm over here. I'm over here, bro. Come on. What the heck? Is it like taking inventory of my house or something? Hello? Come on, buddy. You're not supposed to be seeing the behind the scenes. Hello? Okay, there's my face. It doesn't like my face. When it sees my face, it just goes away. Hello? What the heck? Bizarre. Yes, come back this way. Come back this way. Okay, let's see. Look at my face. What the? Is this like anti-face mode? Like wherever my face is, it doesn't want. You son of a. Look up! Go up. This way. Up that way. Oh, you piece of. You're pissing me off. Okay, it's recording again. That was bizarre. Stop recording me. Stop following me. This is supposed to be the indicator, I think. But obviously it doesn't care. It just wants to follow me around. Now you get an insight to my home. Alright, well I guess that's it for the video, but yeah, seems pretty cool. I like it so far. Hopefully I can put this to use. I would like to use it for my training sessions. It's just normally, I feel like they gotta see more of my face, and if I do this, it's supposed to flip. Or not, just do your own thing. Alright, that's it for the video. God bless you all.